Hi YouTube, welcome back here, and for those who are returning to this channel, it's good to have you back. I'm Shibabs, and today we're gonna see how to set your Xiaomi Note 8. What we're gonna do is basically applicable to all Xiaomi series. Without further ado, let's just start. So on the screen, we see MIUI 12.5 and, well, we just have to go and we press this button here. First option is to select the language. So you have all the series of language to select from. We're going to select English. Next. Choose your region, Venezuela. So next. Terms and conditions, user agreement. You basically have no option, you just have to agree. If you don't agree, you're not going to be able to use the cell phone. Select. Next. Connect to network. Connected to network. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, and more. For this, I'm gonna have to get my old cell phone and have it right here so I can copy apps from the old cell phone to the new cell phone. Bring your data from a backup from an Android phone. Use your old phone to copy data wirelessly, a backup from the cloud, and an iPhone service. In this case, I'm gonna go to backup from an old Android phone. So open the Google app on your old device, verify the shapes. Next, here, copy to your new device. So Google services, install updates and apps, continuous setup, keep going to get your phone fully set up, or leave now and get a reminder to finish later. Continue. Access your assistant with Hey Google. I'm going to do that later, not now. Pay faster with Google Pay. I'm not going to do that either. Set password. So you have two options, screen lock and fingerprints. Screen lock. Pattern, pin, and password. I'm going to use pattern. Additional settings. Continue. Select default launcher, either classic or app drawer. Classic. Setup complete. So hope you found this video helpful and has given you enough information on how to set up your Xiaomi Note 8 or any Xiaomi device that you have. I appreciate your time watching it. Please let us know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos.